Hey folks, this is Miki Farmer, and today I'm sitting with one of the project manager. This guy is just a hidden gem, and they're very new to Perth, Let me just introduce you to him, and because I don't want to do all the talking, I want him to talk. I want him to say what he's got to serve our Perth community, all the business owners, builders, construction companies. Yeah. Okay, brother. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, it's Aval from Sparks and Steel Fabrications. Here at Sparks and Steel Fabrications, we make we specialize in mezzanine floors, all type of structural steel work for commercial properties and residential properties. We do staircases for houses. So our motto or our goal is for the warehouses. When we talk to any warehouse manager or a business owner who are running out of space, when we talk to them, we tell them, if you're moving out, stop. We could save all your costs of moving out, buying a land. What we can do for you is we can make a extra level in your warehouse where you can use it for either for storage, for office. We can if you choose us, we make sure you utilize your warehouse 60% more than what you are utilizing at the moment.
So basically you're saying instead of moving out, you move up.
Yes, that's what we basically saying that. Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll also introduce, the amount of experience you got. Like we really want to understand, because this is industry that you are in. It's not something that you are baking on the side or corner, right?
Yeah.
So you have to be really experienced. You kind of know your craft.
Yeah.
So please tell us about your experience as well.
We have been doing this over a decade now.
Okay.
Yeah. We have helped a lot of companies to maximize their utilization of space.
Okay.
That's where we come in, to help you do that. And with over a decade of experience, we make sure, we deliver the best possible outcome.
Okay, now that brings me to the next question, which is, there are so many people in the market and plenty of options for the customers who are looking to get this kind of thing done. So there is a saying that, either you do a good job and it has to be very, very expensive because you can't get something worth of quality at cheaper price. So tell me, what's the difference, or how do you approach doing something at cheap or doing something with quality? So how do you kind of differentiate? Are you getting my point?
Yeah. So the first thing is we make sure we give you the best quality.
Okay.
You could get your hands onto. Me being a fabricator myself and the project manager, so I've been doing this for over a decade now. So I make sure, if there is a single weld as well, that weld should look the best, as it can. It's a bit technical kind of thing, but so we go down to that point, we check the welds as well. The finishing of our product will be the best out in the market. Okay. And I promise you that.
Okay.
You can go around, have a look, and I guarantee you the best possible outcome with the best possible quality, which won't cost you an arm and a leg.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So you're basically saying
cost effective.
Yes, that's cost effective, because there are clients out there, they got limited budgets.
Yeah.
And there are sometimes situations probably they're under debt, that they've got some sort of loan going on. Yeah. So my next question for you.
Yeah, to answer this, I'll tell you, we helped two of our clients, actually three of our clients, not naming them here, but they were very short on budget. They were struggling in their business. And so they had limited budgets. We did help them to design a mezzanine, which didn't cost them much. And we, as a community in Perth, just to help them out, we worked on the lowest possible profit margin we could. We just worked on the costs basically for them, just to help them out.
Just to help them out.
just to help them out. Yeah.
So you do want to cater to those people, Luke, because I think a lot of them, like business owners, they're holding on to their development
at this stage, the costs are going up. I'm not saying, we can help each and every person out there, but, we'll try to do the best for, if someone is struggling, we'll try to do the best for them.
Okay. Bro, walk me through how does the process look like? For example, a developer or any customer, who's looking to work with you guys through this video, or like, they found you on Google or something. How does the process look like from an inquiry, or like, do you engage with, like, send them design? Like, I don't really know.
Yeah.
So, for example, I'm the client, right? So walk me through, how does it look like?
Yeah. Okay. So if you're the client,
Yeah.
you contact us. Okay. And then from there, we take over.
Okay.
All your problems. Okay.
Okay.
So the first process is you tell us what you need.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll ask you over the phone, like, if you have got a size, what size mezzanine you need. Okay. If you have got that, well and good. And then we have to ask you what's the weight capacity you need for the mezzanine. If you have got that, well and good. If not, we come out to you. We give you a free code. So we come out, we look for the design, we check the size of the mezzanine, what you need. We ask you all your requirements, and then we go back, we send you the design of the mezzanine, like, so that you can visualize, you can see what you're spending your money on.
So what's the final product look like?
Yeah. So we give you a 3D model as well.
Okay.
Like on a piece of paper, so that you can see what it looks like at the end. Okay. And, so we get back to you with the design, with the code, the cost of the project. And we make sure, we don't play around with too much of margin for, for business owners. Like,
Sure.
Me being a project manager and running this company as well, I know times are tough, so we stick to our.
We gotta sit together.
Yeah, and help out the community as well.
Sure. And let me know, brother. So roughly, hold this process, right? Is it like 2 days, 3 days, or is it like a week's process?
No, actually, it takes longer than that. It's not a week's process.
No, so like just the quotation part only.
Oh, yeah.
Just the inquiry part.
Yeah, the inquiry
I know final project is going to take longer.
Yeah.
Like, walk me through the inquiry.
So you call us, we get back to you in 24 hours with a code, okay, and with a rough design as well. And so if you approve that, we send you a 3D model on a piece of paper in your mail. Okay. And then, you approve the code, you sign the documents, you send back to us. From there, we start on the fabricating process.
Okay.
So the quote part will take around a day, like 24 hours, basically.
Okay, so it's maximum 24 hours.
24 hours for the quotation.
I can expect that, like, an estimate cost. And, you said the 3D model as well.
Yeah.
Within 24 hours?
Yes. Once you agree to the cost, we'll give you a 2D drawing.
Okay.
In the beginning, what it looks like. And then even with a 2D drawing, you can see, like, what it's going to look like.
Okay.
And we can also do a 3D drawing. It won't, take time to do that as well. So,
okay.
Yeah.
So now,
and then once, once we do that,
okay.
You approve the code. Okay. You sign the documents, you send it back to us. From there, we start fabricating your job. The lead time is around 10 days.
Okay.
And so you can expect a job the day you call us, the day you approve your code. From that day onwards, you can expect your job to be finished, like fabrication and installation to be finished in, you say, 3 weeks.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
Let's say roughly a month.
Yeah, less than a month.
Okay, less than a month. And
depends how busy we are.
Okay.
But we try to accommodate. Like when we get busier, it takes a bit longer, and depends on the size of the project as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Like a normal small mezzanine, 3 weeks.
Okay.
And we are out of your warehouse, out of your way.
Okay. So, okay, brother. Now, our final thing, right? If let's say any developer, someone who's doing big projects, could be commercial property, could be residential property, anyone out there right now on Google, looking at you and thinking on the edge, I want to work with these guys.
Yeah.
What do you want to tell them?
Thanks for choosing us.
Okay.
Okay.
Straight up.
Yeah. Thanks for choosing us.
Yeah.
And, and all the developers or all the customers, what I can promise you is we deliver what we say.
Yeah.
Okay. And, the best possible quality you'll get out there is from Sparks and Steel Fabrications. And we are based here at Bangara.
Okay.
So, yeah.
But you are serving all across Perth.
We are serving
all the suburbs, right?
Yeah. The whole Perth. The whole Perth. Yeah.
Okay. North and south.
Yeah. Mining as well.
Mining as well.
So,
there you go.
yeah.
Mining fellas.
Yeah.
Come to us.
Yeah.
No, come to them.
Come to us or
go to them.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyway, thank you so much, brother.
Yeah. Thanks, Miki. And
Okay.
wish best of luck.
Best of luck.
Yeah. And
All right.
and then
Best of luck to all the endeavors that you're gonna have.
yeah.